Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MAP token from MAP Protocol. Ticker symbol is MAP. This token got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the MAP Protocol token. So this token just got listed today, April 28th, 6 o'clock UTC time, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then search you would search MAP and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. The says trading open 6 o'clock UTC time in the innovation zone. So if you want to find MAP Protocol's Twitter, it's pretty simple. It's at MAP Protocol. It says here that MAP Protocol is the omni-chain layer for Web3. 100% Nakamoto-style cross-chain communication built on light client and ZK technology with zero privileged roles. By connecting both EVM and non-EVM public chains, MAP Protocol empowers dApp developers to thrive in Web3 with a full suite of omni-chain SDKs. There is a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, so you can check out their ERC, their Etherscan here. So right now they have 2,600 holders. Price is around 1 cent per token. Fully diluted market cap is about $139,929,000. And circulating supply market cap, $31,174,000. 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. So they do have a 27-page white paper, lots of information on this token. It says omni-chain layer of Web3, 100% Nakamoto style, built on light client and zero knowledge technology. So the MAP Protocol history, in 2019, the core team was founded. In 2020, MAP Protocol V1 was released, a cross-chain solution with light client verification and without relay chain. MAP Protocol V2 was developed in 2021 with light client plus relay chain, the omni-chain network for an interoperable Web3. So it says the 4-year development journey was filled with trial and error and frustrations, but the Mapo team adhered to the mission to develop cross-chain peer-to-peer eCash payment system infrastructure. Mapo team now proudly announces that MAP Protocol is the 100% Nakamoto-style omni-chain network infrastructure that outranks all existing cross-chain solutions in the blockchain space. Zero privileged roles, all chain coverage, instant confirmation, minimum costs, and developer ready. MAP Protocol is the omni-chain layer for Web3 for dApps with probably secure cross-chain communication built on light client and zero knowledge tech with 5 advantages. So it has zero privileged roles by deploying Independent and self-verifying light chains. The whole cross-chain verification process does not depend upon any off-chain parties or any specified third parties. It's cost efficient, so no additional cost for cross-chain transactions other than gas fees. By ZK technology, gas fees is further reduced to minimum. Wide chain coverage, so extends EVM layer to map relay chain with precompiled smart contracts of public chains to seamlessly connect both EVM and non-EVM chains. It's got instant confirmation, so it confirms cross-chain transactions instantly. Confirmation speed for cross-chain transactions is only limited by each chain's block time. And then it's dApp developer ready, so effortlessly integration via SDKs for straightforward omni-chain app deployment. So nowadays, general chains such as Ethereum, Avalanche, Flow have their own respective territory, and dedicated chains such as IOTEX, NKN, and are also thriving. Now, omni-chain network and infrastructure to connect them all is the future. Together, the worldwide developers, MAP protocol is the dawn of the new omni-chain. So it goes over MAP protocol versus the alternatives on their white paper, and it compares them to Cosmos and Polkadot, to Thorchain, Layer 0, etc. It goes over the gas fees, cross-chain confirmation, security, all those things, and it shows why it is superior. Now, there is a whole section here about technical mechanisms. So MAP protocol is structured in 3 layers: the protocol layer, omni-chain service layer, and application layer. MAP protocol achieves omni-chain interoperability with EVM and non-EVM chains. MAP protocol's cross-chain verification network has security finality. Mapo relay chain is fully EVM compatible, built on proof of stake. Mapo relay chain accomplished heterogeneous expansion of the EVM level. Provides SDKs to dApp developers. It's similar to Google mobile services. It supports both assets and data cross-chain, and supports the development of all omni-chain dApps, including omni-chain Oracle, omni-chain swap, cross-chain bridge for tokens and NFTs, etc., etc. There's tons of information that you can find. If you head over to files.mapprotocol.io, that's where their white paper is. Now, mapprotocol.io itself is their webpage, so check that out as well. And you can find they're newly listed. This token is newly listed as of today. It is live now on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.